Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve another trigonometric equation using CAS diagram. So the question is, solve tan x equal minus 6 for x between 0 and 720 degrees. And the answers should be in 1 decimal points. So the question is looking at tan, and the answers for the tan value is negative. So we have to go back to our CAS diagram and we need to check in which quadrant the tan value is negative. In the first quadrant, tan value is positive. We can eliminate the first quadrant because in our question our tan value is negative. This quadrant, the tan value will be positive, so x won't be lie in this first quadrant. In the second quadrant, only sign value would be positive. Therefore, this quadrant, our answer lie in this quadrant because in this quadrant tan is negative and our question says the tan value is negative. So this is a potential quadrant where we will find answer for our question. And if you move to third one, the third quadrant, tan is positive. So we are sure that we won't get any answer within this quadrant. And similarly, the fourth one, tan is negative. So we will get answer in the fourth quadrant, as well as we'll get the answer in the second quadrant. So let me draw this CAS diagram and we show that we will have answer in this quadrant as well as in this quadrant. So let me draw a triangle. All right, and the next one will be here. So the first solution is this one, x1, and the second solution is this one, x2. So let's try to solve. First thing first, we need to use the calculator to find the x. So tan x equal minus 6. So first solution, we need to find x using tan inverse function in our calculator. If you use your calculator, you will get x equal minus 80.5 degree. So we don't want minus values. We are looking for a positive because our domain is from 0 to 720. So what this negative answer means, minus 80.5, you can clearly see it represents this one. Therefore, the x2, the answer we got from this first calculation is this one, which is 80.5 degree, as well as this part is also same size, 80.5 degree. Now what we can do, we can able to find x1. So our solution is x1 as well as x2. x1 is 180 degree minus 80.5, which is 99.5 degree. And the second solution is x2. x2 is 360 degree minus 80.5, which would give you 279.5 degree. So we have found the answers for x between 0 and 360. But if you look at the equation, we need to find the answers for x between 0 and 720. So they are considering two cycles. So the next two answers are what we need to do. We need to add 360 to this one and we need to add 360 to this one. So the third solution would be 99.5 degree plus 365. That will give you 459.5 degree. And the fourth one would be, we'll take this one, 279.5 degree plus 365, that would give you 639.5 degree, and all the answers are in 1 decimal point accurate. Thank you. Please move on to next video.